The all-new Weber Genesis is the ultimate barbecue for every occasion of the week. Whether you simply want to sear the perfect steak or cook a feast for your family and friends. It is feature-packed so you can entertain outdoors without limits. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek modern design and solid construction. It is available in black porcelain enamel or stainless steel. It is a really good looking barbecue, but it's not just about how it looks, it's about how well it cooks. As with all Weber barbecues, it's important that you cook with the lid of the barbecue down. As you cook, the juices and fats fall onto the flavorizer bars, creating smoke and flavor for your food to cook in. Those flavorizer bars sit above the burners, and they've been an integral feature to the success of the Weber Genesis range since 1985. The all-new Pure Blue high heat burners deliver the most even and efficient flame. So no matter what part of the cooking grill you decide to cook on, you'll have incredible cooking results. From direct cooking, which is grilling, or indirect cooking, which means you can roast and bake, all of these cooking methods can be simply achieved on your barbecue with a simple turn of the control knobs. The Genesis is extremely versatile and has heaps of cooking grill space so you can let those creative cooking ideas run wild. And if a couple extra heads turn up to the party, you can use the expandable top cooking grill space to give you even more flexibility. Keeping an eye on the temperature of your barbecue is easy. Either follow the temperature gauge built into the lid, or if you have Weber Connect built in, the temperature will be displayed on the LED screen. Weber Connect is much more than a thermometer though, it is the ultimate barbecuing assistant. By using the Weber Connect app, you can view a range of recipes, cooking inspiration, there's even step-by-step cook programs for your favourite dishes, but my favourite is the flip and serve notifications to tell you when your food is ready. You can even turn the control knob lights on and off. Party time! Now this big red shiny knob, you can touch it. It is not an ejector button. This is the key to your sear zone. The sear zone is a dedicated section of the cooking grill with an extra burner, so you can sear those steaks at very high heat to get that flavoursome crust. There's even a convenient side burner, so you have even more cooking freedom outdoors. The Weber Genesis is compatible with the Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection to give you even more recipe freedom. The Weber Crafted Griddle or hot plate supplied with the barbecue allows you to cook any foods that may fall through the cooking grill. So eggs, onion rings, fritters, or my favourite, homemade hash browns. We have the dual-sided cast iron Weber Crafted sear grate to create those crosshatch sear marks with ease. You can use the thick bar side of the cooking grill to get the ultimate caramelization on your steaks, or flip it over to the thin side for delicate foods like vegetables or fish. The glazed ceramic Weber Crafted pizza stone bakes incredible flatbreads and crispy base pizzas. The glaze on the stone means foods won't stick and makes for easy cleanup. The stainless steel Weber Crafted grilling basket is perforated, so even when you're cooking really small foods or thin vegetables, the juices will still fall down and drip, creating that wonderful smoke so you'll have that ultimate barbecued flavour. Cleaning is never fun, but with the pull and clean grease management system, you'll spend more time cooking and less time cleaning. Greases and debris are channeled down into the drip pan, ready for easy disposal. When it comes time to pack down, the Weber Genesis has well thought out storage with grill lockers, cabinets and tool hooks for all your accessories or utensils. The Weber Genesis is guaranteed to be the cornerstone of your backyard for many years to come, as it's backed by our 12-year limited warranty. And with all that in mind, it's time to entertain without limits on the all-new Weber Genesis.